Arkansas Department of Health reporting 2 new exposures of the measles after an out-of-state resident visited Fort Smith while infected. That person visited Mercy Hospital on April 19th and then the Best Friend Pet Clinic on April 21st.
As cases continue to rise in nearby states like Texas and Oklahoma, 5 News reporter Kayla Davis sits down with one mother who urges fellow parents to vaccinate their children.
Lou Smith, a mother in Bocoshi, Oklahoma, recalls the night she nearly lost her daughter 59 years ago.
Melanie came into my bedroom in the middle of the night, I guess it was 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning, and woke me up and said she wasn't feeling good, and I put her back up on my bed while I was going to go get some medicine for her, and she fell back in convulsions.
Melanie was rushed to Baptist Hospital in Little Rock, where she was immediately sedated to stop the seizures.
She was in a coma for almost 3 weeks.
Melanie had the German measles or rubella. Though different from the measles, it causes a rash and other similar symptoms.
My family doctor came in and told me that the measles had gone into the lining of her brain, and that's what was causing the convulsions. And most of the children who get this die. Of the ones who live, most of them are a vegetable.
Thankfully, Melanie did eventually wake up.
She did regress back, was left with a little bit of brain damage, and as a result, she had to repeat the 2nd grade. I made them hold her back.
In 1966, when Melanie got sick, a vaccine for the rubella virus had not been released, but it's now part of the MMR, or measles, mumps, rubella vaccine. Now, with almost 900 reported measles cases across the U.S., this mother hopes her story can make a difference.
I am absolutely terrified that people are not getting their babies vaccinated like they should. I don't want anybody to ever have to go through that. I don't want a child to go through it. It's horrible. It just takes everything you've got to survive it.
In Bocoshi, covering news where you live, Kayla Davis, 5 News.
According to the Arkansas Department of Health, there are 3 cases in the state, while the Oklahoma State Department of Health has reported a total of 15. And here's a look at those 2 locations in Fort Smith that ADH announced last week were exposure sites. They say the infected person made stops at Mercy Hospital on Saturday, April 19th, and at Best Friend's Pet Clinic on Monday, April 21st. They're urging anyone who may have been exposed to get up to date on their MMR vaccine and to monitor symptoms, which can take 3 weeks to develop.